Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step tutorial on how to log into your HotStar account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in the URL www.hotstar.com and press enter on your keyboard. You can also open up the HotStar application on your mobile devices. Once you end up in the official webpage of Disney Hotstar, click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you'll need to log in by entering your credentials. If you've signed up using your Facebook or email account, you can choose for this first option, or if you've chosen the mobile number method while signing up, you'll need to enter your mobile number in the next text field. After you do that, click the continue button. On the next field, you'll need to type in your one-time password sent to your mobile number. Simply enter it in the text box and you'll be able to access your Disney Hotstar account. If you've chosen the Facebook or email account option, then you can go ahead and enter your email in the first text box. Make sure to enter the same credential that is associated with your account and then click on the continue button. You can also log in with the help of your Facebook account. Click on this next option to do so. After you enter your email, click continue and make sure to type in the correct email or you won't be able to get to the next page. On the next page, type in your password correct in order to log into your HotStar account. HotStar is a video streaming service that offers Indian entertainment such as TV shows, live cricket matches, news and movies. It is owned by Star India and subsidized by Walt Disney. That is how you can easily log into your HotStar account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.